Hey, it's Gavin Syme, and I am really excited to introduce Filmist 2. Filmist is so good because it's the constant experimentation. I'm never content. I'm always going out and testing something new and experimenting. Filmist for years has been refined and crafted and honed to be the best film pack available for Lightroom, for Capture One, for LUTS, video. But in Filmist 2, we went back to the basics. We refined everything from the usability to improving every film preset and every recipe. The two biggest problems that film presets tend to have is, on the one hand, they're just a vague interpretation that really has no relationship to what that film actually looks like. On the other hand, they're very technical. They're just based on, say, a color chart or something like that. And it doesn't really work because in the test image, it was fine. But in the real world, film has so many nuances of developing, of shadow, of tone. Sometimes single film presets take weeks of refinement and experimentation. That's why in Filmist 2, we're introducing True Film. True Film is a commitment to study and research every single film in Filmist and make it better. True Film represents the improvement of every film in Filmist and also brings in more Gen 2 and now even Generation 3 films. And what that means is more shooting of film, more studying of the nuances, the history of a particular film, finding its baselines and its subtleties and how it works across different files and situations. Filmist brings all of this together into this gorgeous pack where all the films are in one place. And then it extends that further with the X film. These are films that don't necessarily represent an exact film, but are what ifs, are possibilities of what might have come if certain films had continued to be developed. Then it all combines with ChemKit 2. ChemKit 2 are mod presets designed to give you that darkroom feel so that you can push and pull and control tonality and grain and all the details that help make a photo organic and natural. Digital has a harshness, and it's something that a lot of people are trying to get away with. They're trying to find grounding in their edits. They're trying to stop pushing the sliders all the way to the right and creating contrast in post-production, but hunting shadow in camera. And film gives us that grounding. Filmist 2 gives you that confidence that you're getting that beautiful, nuanced color and tone and hue that over 100 years of film in the real world taught us. From the new True Film refinements to the Generation 2 and 3 films that we continue refining and shooting and studying and researching with the ongoing updates that will continue to be coming to Filmist. All of this works perfectly in Lightroom and Capture One. It uses the latest tools and the color manipulations available so we can finesse them. All of Filmist is designed to be adjustable as well, working with the amount slider, the opacity slider, so you can build it in your layers. You can turn it up and down, and you can manipulate exactly how you want it. Filmist 2 is absolutely gorgeous. It's the presets I go to, the pack that you will never make manually because it doesn't make any sense to try and nuance a single photo this much. But when you see it, when you see that look applied, when you put that film on a photo, you say, wow. I'm Gavin Syme, and this is Filmist 2.